they suspended all of my channels, all of my videos. It's not end of the world, guys. I'm gonna show you how you can fix your YouTube channel in case you receive that kind of email. So yeah, earlier, like, I received that email that they suspended my account, blah blah blah. I was super hysterical for a couple of minutes. Like, why? I reached them. By the way, they are available 24/7. So even though you cannot access your YouTube account, you can still contact them 24/7. So I'm gonna put the link description below in case. So yeah, I contacted YouTube, Google or YouTube. They are both the same, and explain like why that my account is suspended and what's the reason why my account is suspended. So they provided me two options. The other one is I can appeal to them. So there is a form. I'm gonna also put the link description below. So you just need to explain that why your account shouldn't be suspended.
So this is the email I received from YouTube 2 days ago, and I was very hysterical because of this no reply email address. I really thought that I cannot explain my side. Like, there's no way for me to contact YouTube. So when I read this two paragraph, like, I really thought it's the end of the world. Like, I cannot do anything. It's the end of my YouTube journey. Like, I spent a lot of time and effort producing those content, and it's just vanished in just one email, and it's just suddenly decided it will remove my content for some violation. So yeah, this is their message. It says that I violate them repeatedly, but I honestly believe that I didn't do anything. I'm just providing content. So as I said, I'm really having hard time to digest the bad news, and I really cannot accept their decision. Like, for I think almost 30 minutes, like, honestly, I was pissed off. But the funny thing is, when I scroll down, I see this like rainbow, and they are saying that I can appeal and explain my side to them. So it's not end of the world. Okay, this is the one option, the first options that you can do in case your account is suspended. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link description below again for the appeal link. So you put it in here. So there are steps you can take if you want to appeal in this decision. So these are their guidelines and the lessons. So to appeal, I'm gonna put the link here again. I'm gonna put everything, like the important information. So you need to put your full name, and then your email address, and then the email address for them to contact you. In this area for the URL suspended account, I'm a little bit confused because I have two accounts that was suspended. I thought it was suspended. So I emailed them and asked, like provide explanation that I'm just providing value. All of my I have loyal subscriber. All of my content is just for marketing in text, and I don't think that it violates YouTube. So it's just simple explanation. They can totally review your channel in case you are lying. So that's what I put in here. And then they responded at me and says that I put the wrong URL. So I read back again my email, and it says here that the account that was really the main issue, or the suspended account, is this channel. And this link is not really my, it is tied up to my personal account. So this is my personal account. Like, I only uploaded 4 videos or 5 videos. I believe it was over like 8 years ago. The recent one is 6 years ago, and I think someone send or report something related to bully or harassment, because that's what I see on the notification when this account got suspended. I'm gonna show you later on the next videos.
If your account is suspended, you will see on the end of your channel, so, the reason why your account is suspended. For me, they flag it as an harassment, so I explained it to them. Now, There also, like, if you want the quick way, there's also other options, but it is in case to case basis. So what happened to me is the flagged channel was my personal YouTube link. Um, so my personal YouTube link. But what happened is when your personal YouTube link is flagged, all of the channels that tied up in that personal YouTube link will not be accessible as well.
So while I am still waiting on their decision about my appeal, I tried to reach out the customer support. So by the way, you can contact them 24/7. I'm gonna put the link description below again on where you can contact them. So this is the contact page, and then just scroll down and click this button to reach them via live chat. And then I explained with them like the reason of like what's my problem all about. So what happened is my personal link got suspended, but still my other channels are active. So they provided me an option. So while I am still waiting to the decision about my appeal, I can add a admin to those channels because I cannot access it using my personal account. So how you can do that? So you click this avatar, and then when you click this avatar, your personal account in here, you will see all of your you click this manage Google account after. So click the avatar and click the manage Google account, and then after that you should able to see all of your brands in here, or let's say all of your YouTube channels. Okay, so let's say we will add a new members in here, like in this channel, because I want to have access, because I want to access this channel. So you click that one, and then you click again the avatar, and then you click the manage account. Okay, after that you click this part, manage permission, and then you need to log in first. Again, you need to log in your password for verification. I always have this verification thing from Google. Let me just, after you verified your account, you can add other email address. So you click this manage permission and then add new email address. So what I did before, there's only one primary owner, which is the suspended account. So I had added other Gmail account, and then what you can do while you are still waiting to their decision about your appeal, you can log in using this Gmail instead of this one. So that's how it works. But you cannot do this option if the suspended account is really your main YouTube channel. It's not your personal link. So you really need to wait on the appeal or decision of YouTube. But if you think that you really did not violate anything, for sure YouTube will grant your appeal. So this is their response. Like, we're pleased to let you know that we recently reviewed your YouTube account, and after taking another look, we can confirm that it's not violation of our terms of service.